dear viewers, welcome back to my channel Fun Learn with Adu or Study with Adu. Yes, so now we are back with, so we completed the previous year question 2024 questions from January and April shift for haloalkane and haloarine. Now we are back with questions from alcohol, phenols and ethers chapter, the second chapter in organic chemistry. So before going to then, our channel would like to thank Math on Go. One second. Our channel would like to thank Math on Go for providing us with the PDF. Thank you so much Math on Go for the PDF. So without much ado, we'll be moving on with the questions. So first one, it was asked 1st February shift 2. Some reactions are given and products are asked. First one, phenol plus zinc. Phenol plus zinc dust plus zinc gives us benzene plus ZnOH. You know this reaction if I am not wrong. This reaction is given in page number 213, not ZnOH, sorry, I went wrong. ZNO. This reaction is given in page number 213 of alcohol, phenols, ethers, chemistry part of textbook. Page 213 you can refer for the reaction. So phenol with Zn will give us benzene. So A3. So this is wrong. 3 or 4 is the answer. Next one, phenol CHCl3 NaOH and HCl. This is a very famous reaction named Reimer-Tiemann reaction. It's also given in the same page number 213. The product we get is what? Salicylaldehyde. This is the product, salicylaldehyde. So with this we get salicylaldehyde. So B1. So anyway, 4 is wrong. 3 is the correct answer. But we'll also deal with C and D also. We'll just look. Phenol, carbon dioxide, NaOH and HCl. Phenol, carbon dioxide, NaOH and HCl. If it was CHCl3, we will have got salicylaldehyde. And if it is carbon dioxide, we will get which one? Very famous. Salicylic acid. We'll get salicylic acid as a product, right? Yes, it's also given in page number 2 and 3. You can refer. So salicylic acid, that is C2, correct. Now D, phenol plus concentrated HNO3. Very simple. Picric acid. What does phenol plus concentrated HNO3 give? Phenol. Concentrated HNO3. It's an electrophilic reaction if I am not wrong. It's an electrophilic reaction. Yes, we get picric acid. What is picric acid? Picric acid is very special acid, right? Because it's having one OH and 3 NO2 groups in ortho and para position. This is called picric acid. So we get D is 4 itself. So option 3 is the correct answer. Next we will be moving on with the next question. Yes. Para-nitrophenol is more acidic than meta-nitrophenol and ortho-nitrophenol. Para-nitrophenol. Let me draw para-nitrophenol. It's more acidic. Okay. Means OH will leave very fast. Yes, it is correct. Why it is correct? Yeah, you know that in para-nitrophenol this is like this, but in meta-nitrophenol, and meta-nitrophenol, first of all, meta position, there is no I effect activating there. Hence meta, when we see meta group, we always leave meta group. Meta group is of least importance except in the amine chapter. In all the chapter, meta group is of least importance. But ortho group is very important. Everywhere ortho group we'll discuss. But the problem here is that ortho group is having what? Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Hence the problem is that this H is not ready to leave the compound. It is not ready to leave the compound. Hence acidity is less. But in this case, he is only intermolecular. So it is ready to leave the compound. Yes, intermolecule is ready to leave the compound. Hence statement 1 should be correct, I think. Should be correct. Statement 1 should be correct. Yes. Now we have forgot. Statement 2. Statement 1 is correct. Statement 2, ethanol will give immediate turbidity with Lucas reagent. Let us check. Ethanol, CH3, CH2OH. I told you the turbidity order in haloalkene class I told. I didn't take the class of the other chapters, but haloalkene I told about Lucas test, right? Lucas reagent test. In that, tertiary immediate, secondary in 5 minutes, primary no precipitate in room temperature. Here ethanol is a primary alcohol and it will give immediate turbidity. It is a wrong statement. So 1 is true and 2 is false is the correct answer. Yes. Phenolic group can be identified by a positive which test? Positive which test we can identify phenol? This is a question from practical chemistry also. Practical chemistry, okay. This is not it's a question from practical chemistry too. Which test we can identify phenol? Yes, phthalene dye test. Yes, that's a correct answer. Phthalene dye test is used to identify phenolic group. Lucas test, it is can be used to identify tertiary alcohol but not alcohol group. What commonly? Tolerance test is used to identify aldehyde groups. And next one is carbylamine test is used to identify primary amines. Okay, so phthalene dye test is the correct answer. It is used to identify alcohol as general. Yes, phthalene dye test is the correct answer. Now question number 4. OH is converting to OHCOH. Yeah, this reaction, what is this called? Kolb's reaction, right? Kolb's reaction, we have CO2, NaOH and HCl as the reagents used. Appo NaOH, CO2 and HCl. So A4. So this is wrong. 1 or 4 is the answer. Now second one is which reaction? Yes, Reamer-Tiemann reaction. Reamer-Tiemann reaction, right? Reamer-Tiemann reaction, what's the speciality? Yes, for Reamer-Tiemann reaction, the reagents used as CHCl3, NaOH and HCl. Note it. So this will be B will be 3. So hence 4 is the correct answer, 1 is wrong because B1 is given. We'll look the other two. OH and this thing which will be used. Yes, for C we'll be using the reaction is given in the same page number 213 of your NCERT textbook, oxidation reaction to oxidation using Na2Cr2O7 Na2Cr2O7 using Na2Cr2O7. So that will be C will be 1. Last one is conversion of alcohol to OCH3. Using NaOH and CHCl3. The same is given in which page I will tell you. It's given in the preparation of ethers. It's given. Preparation of anisole. One second, I will show you. I will give you the page number 2. Otherwise, difficult for me. Yes, it is given in one second. Yes, it is given in page number 216. Yes, 216. Phenols are converted to ethers by the method. In this, phenol is used as a phenoxide moiety. It's given like that. So 4 is the correct answer. Now next one is question number 5. Major product formed in the following reaction. Look. This is the reaction. Major product formed. Some alcohol will get, right? One second. This thing is really confusing for everyone. It is given in your NCERT textbook, chemical reaction, cleavage of CO bond in ethers. There is a mechanism given there. There is a mechanism given there in the page number 218 of your textbook. A mechanism is given. Everyone, please read through the mechanism. Read through the mechanism. I will too write the mechanism. Okay. It is same as SN1 mechanism and SN2 mechanism. Okay. Same as SN1 mechanism and SN2 mechanism. If it is tertiary, there is SN1 mechanism. If it is primary, there is SN2 mechanism. Yes. It's very simple here. In this question, what happens is that we get something like this. O minus plus C, CH3, CH3 plus. I hope this happens. Yeah, this happens. Why does this happen? I'll explain it once again. One second. Look, the thing given to us is this thing, right? O, CH3, yes. O, C, CH3. This is the compound given to us. Look, this is a tertiary. Oxygen is attached to a tertiary carbon. Hence, SN1 reaction is referred here. So, what happens is that the bond will be breaking like this. It will become O minus and C, CH3 plus. Why this become plus? Reason is that SN1 reaction. Carbocation on tertiary carbon. That's the reason why this break like that. Now what happened? H plus is there in the medium. I minus is also there in the medium. I minus go and join this plus this carbocation. H plus go and join this oxygen. Hence we get cyclohexyl alcohol plus CH3 neopent. One second. We get 2 iodo 2 methyl propane. Yes, so the answer will be option 4. This is the reason why SN1 mechanism. That's the thing. It's very important. This question, surely one question will come from this type of thing from page number 217 and 218 of NCERT. One question for sure will come for your JEE Main 2025. I'm sure about that. Okay, sure. Okay. Now question number 6. Phenol treated with chloroform in presence of sodium hydroxide, which further hydrolyzed in presence of acid results. Very important. This reaction is very important. Now itself in most of the questions we saw the same reaction. That is in alcohol and phenol chapter. There are 2 or 3 important reactions. One is Colt's reaction. Second one is which one? Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Third one oxidation reaction. Third one. Fourth one zinc dust reaction. Fifth one B2H6 formation of alcohol. And seventh one dehydration. These are the important dehydration. These are the important reactions of the chapter. And for ether, Wilkinson's reaction. Wilkinson synthesis. Wilkinson synthesis and the reaction with HI. These 2 are important. So these are the main important things. So from this question number 6, we know that phenol is treated with chloroform. Then what's the answer? Salicylaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde. So salicylaldehyde. One second. Yes, it is salicylaldehyde. Okay. In this option, they didn't give salicylaldehyde. They give what? 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. That's the thing. I thought is it salicylaldehyde itself. What a fool am I? So okay, salicylaldehyde. That is option 4. Okay. Yes, next we will be writing question number 7. Salicylaldehyde is synthesized from phenol when reacted with. What is this? Every question is from Riemer-Tiemann reaction, my god. Every question is from Kolb's reaction, my god. What is this? This is the thing that you should learn from the previous year questions. Most of the questions are from Riemer-Tiemann, Kolb's, oxidation, zinc dust, and what Wilkinson's synthesis, and the SN1 SN2 mechanism that's given in the ether pump. It's the most important thing in the chapter. Most important thing in the chapter. Okay, understand. And dehydration and B2H6 preparation of alcohol, that's also somewhat important. You should learn for chain type reactions. Okay. Anyway, in this question, the answer is question 4, because you know that chloroform CHCl3. What is this? CHCl3 plus NaOH plus HCl is the formation product, the reagents for Riemer-Tiemann reaction. Reagents, right? So option 4. Now question number 8. Given below are two statements, one labeled assertion and the other labeled as a reason. Okay. Assertion: alcohols can react both as nucleophiles and electrophiles. Yes, that is correct. Everywhere from organic chemistry in 11th standard itself, we are learning alcohol act as a nucleophile as well as an electrophile, because it has oxygen as lone pair, hence it can act as what nucleophile. Yes, it can act as nucleophile. It can also act as electrophile, electron rich. Yes. Now reason: alcohol react with active metals such as sodium, potassium, and aluminium to yield corresponding alkoxides and liberate hydrogen. That's also correct. So I think assertion and reason is true. But this assertion and reason doesn't have any connection between them. Alcohol react both as nucleophile and electrophile. Okay, accepting it. Alcohol react with active metals such as sodium, potassium, aluminium to yield corresponding alkoxide and liberate hydrogen. That's also acceptable. But nucleophile and electrophile is another property, and the second statement, the reason is given as acidic character of alcohol is being justified as a reason. It's not a correct explanation, right? Reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. They both are separate statements which are true. So both assertion and reason are true, but R is not the correct explanation of assertion. That's the answer. Now, question number 9. Given below are two statements, one labeled assertion and one labeled reason. Assertion: pK value of phenol is 10 while that of ethanol is 15.9. Let us check. Phenol. You know pK value. pK value. As pK value increases, acidic character decreases or increases? As pK value increases, acidic character decreases. pK value pK value is inversely proportional to acidic character. pK value is inversely proportional to acidic character. pK value of phenol is 10 while that of ethanol is 15.9. That is correct. Phenol is more acidic than ethanol. Ethanol is stronger acid than phenol. Reason: what a foolishness is this? pK value more means less acid character. For ethanol, pK value is more, so it is less acidic. Phenol is having 10, which is less than ethanol. Therefore, phenol is a stronger acid than ethanol. But in reason, it is given everything opposite to that, which is false. So reason is wrong. So this assertion is true, reason is false. Okay. So with that, the questions from the alcohol chapter come to an end. The January shift come to an end. Now we will be dealing with the April shift in the next session. So we will be dealing with April shift the next session. I hope you are enjoying the session. Look, Riemer-Tiemann reaction, Kolb's reaction is very important. Learn that. You can for sure score 4 to 8 marks from this chapter. Okay. But this chapter is also included in many other chapters. Aldehyde and ketones is having most of the concept from this chapters, right? Preparation of aldehyde and ketone is everything that is given in alcohol, right? And preparation of alcohol is something that is given in aldehyde and ketone. So they are interconnected. So this chapter is very important. From this chapter mainly they ask from Riemer-Tiemann, Kolb's electrolysis, etc. That's the thing they ask. So thank you for watching my video. We will be coming back with April shift question discussion as soon as possible. Thank you.